Ever wondered how to unlock the future of video creation for a British audience? You're about to discover how to harness the power of OpenAI's Sora 2, right here in the UK. Step 1. Understanding access. While Sora 2 is a cutting-edge AI, its public availability can vary by region. Keep an eye on OpenAI's official announcements for the UK rollout. Sign up for early access waitlists as soon as they become available. Step 2. Tailoring your prompts for local flavor. When you get access, think distinctly British instead of just a busy street. Try a bustling London market scene on a drizzly Tuesday morning with red double-decker buses in the background. Observe how subtle details like weather, iconic landmarks, or even specific types of architecture can instantly resonate with a British audience. Step 3. Exploring creative applications. Imagine generating short, engaging explainer videos about quirky British traditions, visually stunning promotional content for unique UK businesses, or even animated historical reenactments of famous British events. Sora 2's capabilities allow for unprecedented visual storytelling, giving you the tools to create content that truly speaks to the UK. From educational shorts on regional dialects to imaginative explorations of British folklore, the possibilities are as vast as the UK itself. So stay informed, get creative with your prompts, and prepare to captivate British audiences with the power of Sora 2.